Coding? Nah, it's not brain surgery, probably. You know, when people see code, their eyes just glaze over. It's like watching a foreign film, with no subtitles. And all the actors are robots. They think, coding? That's for geniuses, hackers, people who dream in binary. False. Okay, maybe a little true about the binary part, but seriously, coding isn't rocket science. It's more like making a sandwich. You learn the ingredients, which is the code, the order, that's the syntax, and bam, you've got yourself a delicious website, app, or game. So let's ditch the fear, grab your metaphorical chef's hat, and dive into some beginner-friendly programming languages. Section 1. Python, the friendly snake that doesn't bite. First up, Python. And don't worry, no reptiles involved here. Python is known for its readability. It's like the Hemingway of programming languages. Clear, concise, and get straight to the point. Want to tell a computer to print, "Hello world"? In Python, it's just one line, see, easy peasy. Why else is Python a beginner darling? It's super versatile. Want to build websites? Python can do it. Data analysis? Python's your guy. Artificial intelligence? Python's got your back. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. Plus, there's a huge community of Pythonistas ready to help you out, so slither on over to the Python side, we don't bite. Ever heard of Instagram? Yeah, that photo sharing app everyone and their grandma is obsessed with? Built with Python. See, you're already using Python-powered apps without even knowing it, so why not learn the magic behind them? Python is a great way to dip your toes into the coding pool. It's fun, it's powerful, and it's only a few lines of code away from creating something awesome.